Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be doing an extra unboxing on top of my interesting fruits Nami unboxing. So as you can see the setup, last weekend I unboxed all 6 of these Nami interesting fruit series, and my favorite was from the first box, and I've ordered the Namis back into my frame. So I bought this from IKEA, and it's like a hack for back then I think Labubus, and people are still using it. And I removed some of my Labubus out and placed them elsewhere, and decided that I'm gonna put my interesting fruits Nami into this frame because it fits perfectly. Sometimes I might take them out and then rotate the eyes, but yeah, so this is my set from last week. My favorite is apple because it's a bunny, and then the lemon head. I love the colors, the pastel colors of this Nami lemon. And then strawberry would be my third favorite. Blueberry because my favorite color is purple and super cute. And then avocado, the green, and then finally orange, the lion. So that would be the order. And because I love the series so much, I couldn't resist but to decide and pay a slightly more premium price for the secret. So yes, I bought the entire collection of the Interesting Fruits series, and I got the secret, which I will be unboxing with you guys today. So let's do it. The secret from this particular collection is super pretty. And so I decided why not have a complete set. And the price for the secret for Namis are by far less than Labubu's and Pop Mart brands. So this brand is not from Pop Mart, it's from Top Toy. And this was the original box that came as a Nami Interesting Fruits. And yeah, you can see that they've marked the secret, which is what I bought. It comes with an extra little toy. And yeah, let's unbox this. So before I do that, just wanted to get a close-up of this box. Some subscribers has asked that I do more close-ups. I apologize if my camera and the resolution's not as high as others, but okay, let's unbox. Let's shake it up a little bit. So this is the plastic bag. This is the front. Ta-da! Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Again, it's with my favorite colors. She's so pretty. So this is the lamb, or like a sheep, and in the Chinese zodiac, I am also a sheep. So when I found out that the secret is like the lamb ears, and with the purple, light blue, pink color, the strawberry bib, and the purple color hair, this is definitely my new favorite. So the secret, obviously, and the bunny, which is an apple and lemon. I love all of them. I think the entire set makes it beautiful. So I'm so happy that I'm able to collect the entire set. And yeah, so the tail is so fluffy and long. Actually, is this a sheep? Definitely looks like the ears. But let's take a look close up at the eyes. So if you can see on the cheeks, there is strawberry. And also in the eyes, it's like light blue, purplish. And I think there's like candies in there as well. So this is the original. And this is with like the universe, or like the solar with stars glitter. This is really beautiful. In the bonbon. So all of them are really pretty. I think I'm going to keep it with the universe, the stars, and the color. It is so pretty. So this is my final unboxing for the Interesting Fruit series. I hope you've enjoyed my shorts this week that I've posted from Monday all the way to Saturday. And yeah, I will be posting this one as a video as well as a short. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye, guys. Hey guys, okay, so I can't believe I completely forgot about adding the extra toy that comes with the Nami, the secret Nami. So after recording, I realized, wait a second, it came with an extra piece. So if you got the secret, it comes with this bonbon, strawberry bonbon, and you would put it across, let's see, the secret like this. I think that's how you do it. It's quite long, but it's not like expandable. So I guess you could just keep it like this, and everything matches. So it's a strawberry bonbon, and the eyes, I hope it captures. My phone camera is not that good, but in her eyes, there's also the strawberry bonbon. There's 3 designs for every Nami. This is the original black eyes that every Nami has. And then this would be the glitter, like the night sky glitter stars. I think this one is really pretty. It matches. But we can keep it with the strawberry to match everything. It's fine. So let's get the card. And this is the secret toffee. Like lilac, lavender colors are my favorite. So this is the secret toffee. She's very pretty. So thank you for joining me again, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.